Introducing the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST. This truck comes with black exterior paint on black leather heated seats. And this one is equipped with the All-Star Edition package as well as the Convenience package. And there are your 20-inch aluminum wheels. And the convenience package too does give you the Bose system. And of course, for 2019, Chevrolet introduced the power tailgate. We're going to go ahead and check that out. Just by pushing this button, it'll go ahead and lower by itself. And auto stop is available this year, so you can turn that on and off with the push of a button. I drove one last week and it does seem to save quite a bit of fuel according to my fuel management. Hop in here, and you've got push button start available this year. And there you have it, 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST.